a book and your man probably read it. What's up, y'all? Y'all, I just got off work. I'm so freaking happy. Like, y'all just don't understand. Well, and that feeling you get when you walking out the exit door after just getting off, after just clocking out. Oh my gosh. And getting in your car, backing up and carrying your ass home. Y'all, that's the best feeling ever. I try to tell you. That's the best feeling ever. But, oh shoot. I'm actually on the way to my granny's house again. Like my last vlog. But I'm on the way to her house to go actually pick up a package that I had mailed to her house. All my inventory from my website goes to my granny house. So I just got a notification today that one of my packages have arrived. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna pick up the camera again once I get there because I'm driving. I'm actually in the fast lane doing about 85. So I need to get off this phone and pay attention to this damn road. But I'll see you guys when I get to my granny house. Even though I look a hot ass man. Okay, you guys, so I just got out the shower. I'm so fresh and so clean. So we're just gonna undo an unboxing of this. But yeah, you guys, so I'm about to do a unboxing for some inventory for my website. If you guys are new, my website is vanityessentialsboutique.com. I will leave a link down below in the description box. So just go ahead, take a visit. You might find something you like. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something you like. Okay? So we're just gonna see. Trying to see which way I can open this. Let's open it this way, you guys. Okay. Y'all, opening this with nails on is not the business. Yeah, we have left off. Let's see some of the stuff that I got. Okay, so this is a what? I might try one of my pieces on so you guys can see. So I just got a lot of cute things. I'm gonna actually do a try on haul per usual. You guys know I always order one for myself. Oh yeah. What is this? I don't even know. I think this is the bottom of the box. Oh, look at this, you guys. This is a romper. Oh, y'all, this is fire. Okay, fire. So I'm just gonna take this out the pack so I can show you guys at least a couple items that I got, because I am going to save this for a try on haul. Oh, this is cute. So basically it's a two-piece set. This is the top and these are the shoulder strings, you know, you tie. Okay, so that's the top. And this, oh wow, they don't got the strings in the bottom. I'll string it out for you guys, for my customers that do order, because this should have been stringed up. So basically it strings up right here and right here, and these are both of the strings. But I'll go ahead and show y'all. Let me see if I can string it up real fast. Great. I ran out of memory, so I had to go in and delete some stuff. But y'all, I finished stringed it up. Like, look, it's cute. And I didn't even know that I had a second split on the side. So it's on both sides. I'm tripping. Y'all, this is bomb. So this is set. So I'm not going to show you guys everything because I do want to do a try on haul. But I'm going to show y'all this piece right here. It's a set. Stack pants set. Has a string. Let me see. Does the string actually, is it functional? Oh, the string is actually functional. Did you know sometimes they just put a string on it just to have a string on your pants? It does have an elastic band. And I believe this is in a size small. Let me make sure. Let me confirm. Yes. So this is a size small. I could tell from the pants. The pants are so tiny. So this is the top. Just a simple top. And I also have these in different colors. And my other shipment that's coming, y'all, stacked pants galore. I'm waiting for that shipment to come through, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, package these up in my plastic wraps. And let me show you guys the plastic wraps. Okay, so these are the plastic wraps that I'm talking about, the little plastic bags. I did order a good bit from Amazon for like $10. I believe it was maybe 100 or 200 pieces for $10. I want to say 100 because I'm running a little low. Yeah, probably about 100. So I'm going to wrap my clothes up in that. And y'all, look what I want to show you guys. My poly mailers. This is the small one. Do I got it on? Oh, I got it backwards. Okay. So this is my poly mailers. Aren't they cute? On my company logo. This is the smaller ones. I do have larger ones for my more larger items or whatnot. But yeah, if you guys want me to do a video on creating poly mailers, or do a video on like things that I use on a daily basis for my business, just let me know, because I will do it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Once I start my son here or whatever I do next. If I even come back today. I might come back tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day and I am on my way to go pick up my vehicle, but outside is about to pour, so I gotta get a move on. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all when I get in the car, or when I'm either in my new car or whatever. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so the master of the report. All right. Please stop trying to race me, because you won't win, bitch. I'm just saying, you will not win. But anyway, so the last time you guys saw me was in the house. I was getting ready to go down to the car dealership. So unfortunately, I did not get the car today because a document that they needed, that they should have said, I didn't have it. So now I have to wait. Well, I didn't have it because I need to get it from my job, and the person that does that don't come back until the next day. Well, until tomorrow. So hopefully I can go ahead and get all those things to him tomorrow, and we'll have the car. Like, I'm tired of y'all. I'm just a little aggravated because, you know, I have my heart set on getting my vehicle today, man. But you know what? I ain't tripping. But that's where I'm at with it. But honestly, he should have told me that's what I needed, so I just could have get everything today. I thought he just needed the basics, but he just needed something else, and I'm like, ugh. So now I gotta wait till tomorrow. That sucks. I really wanted my freaking car today. But anyway, on a brighter note, I'm headed to like a cookout. I guess it's like a cookout. Well, I'm headed to a cookout / block party / birthday party. But yeah, it's gonna be outside. Yeah, so that's where I'm heading out. I would show you guys my outfit, but me sitting down doesn't do any justice. I'll try to tape as much as possible, but I know how I go when I start drinking. I don't be thinking about filming. But like I said, I'm gonna be getting better at this whole vlogging thing. But y'all look at my nails. Like, I need a full and bad. I was gonna go today, but I got busy and trying to get my car. I didn't care about no filling. I just want my freaking car. But I'll see y'all guys. I'll see y'all later when I get to this now. So y'all, I just pull out. Let me turn on the light. Oh my gosh, these lights don't. put like they need to, but I just pull up and a bunch of people here, like so much calls out here, y'all. I not back up if people yawn. I don't even look like a punk right here. But my best friend ain't even here. She going ran to the daggone stove. So I'm gonna just sit here and wait for her because I'm gonna turn the phone around so y'all can see how much cars out here, like y'all. And I can't even show down that end. But see, that's the party back there. I ain't going back there until my best friend gets y'all. That is a lot of cars. I got lucky and got this parking spot. I guess I got lucky and get this parking spot. But I ain't people, y'all. Look at the house behind me. Oh, then the people on the porch. Oh, that might. Oh, I about to say I thought that my best friend. Oh my gosh, nobody tell this girl to leave. Like nobody told her to freaking leave. I guess I'll come back when some action going on because ain't nothing going on right now but me. I wish I could show y'all my outfit, but oh, y'all can't really see anything. Let me pull my shorts down. Put my shorts down a little bit. Okay, so I gotta get out the car, but I ain't trying to get out the car. So I just got like a crop top. Oh, y'all see my fat? I just got like a little crop top t-shirt on, basic tee, and I got the little black cutoff shorts, little cut up with the fringe shorts. I love them. They're really cute. But I'll come back when my best friend get here. It might be dark by the time I come back, but I'll be back. Oh, y'all see a glimpse of the little party going on, but we having a good time. I had to come to go because it was hot out there, and I had to come turn my AC on because I bitch hot. But I'm having fun. I'm having a good time. Like they got a nice little gathering. Myron, you better get off that street. You better get off that street. I see you better get off that street. Naughty where? In the Camaro? I know that ain't naughty in the Camaro. Oh shit. Look at fucking naughty. My dog not gonna cop a Camaro. So y'all, one of our good friends, my dog not cop a Camaro. Look at naughty. Yes, ma'am.
Travarius said he will stick the fuck out you when he see you.
Travarius. Hey, listen. I said, cousin Dan White good. He just write me on Snapchat.
I just got the phone.
No. Cousin! Hey. Hey, I said Dan White good.
Yeah, nigga.
Wow. It's a small ass world. Damn.
I see first? Ask your little block ass in.
Oh, you see Addy? Damn. You should have been down here, man. You could have been partying and turned out with us. Ain't it? Those niggas want to be the Virginia shit.
I said going up there one weekend. If y'all won't go, y'all better come on.
Man, listen, I down.
Shit.
I am
I
down.
should never tell that shit.
Listen,
I
you
crazy.
Word.
Listen, hold the fuck up. I ain't on Snapchat, clicking on Snapchat. I said, I ain't know damn well this ain't motherfucking bimbo. The motherfucker that see me calling, that see me check. I said, you know what? When I see you, I'm gonna chop your ass.
And then, so I'm gonna jaw your ass. I said, damn, God, what the fuck did I do? Like, damn, y'all gonna jaw me. I think I'm gonna see y'all when I get home because, I know, girl. I gotta call my best friend. I'll see y'all in the low. Hey, you guys. So it is the next day, and as you can see, I'm home. I enjoyed myself. Didn't I, Seymour? Seymour. My baby man. So right now, my photographer, which is right there, is gonna take some pictures for my website because I need some pictures, you guys. I probably do right here. The infamous area. I'll be back when we done. Hey y'all, so I know I did not come back. Okay, so I was really crappy today of vlogging, honestly, because there was a lot going on. I don't know. It's a lot. I still did not get my... Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all. I still did not get my car today. I am freaking upset. But... Oh my gosh. Like, the devil busy. The devil is busy. But the reason why I couldn't get it, because you guys know once you get a vehicle, you have to get insurance on the car in order for the car to leave off the lot. But since South Carolina right now is in the middle of a severe weather warning because of the hurricane on the coast or near the coast, that the insurance company was not insuring new policies. They was not doing any new policies right now. So today is Sunday. The storm's supposed to take place tomorrow, which is Monday. Hopefully I can call back Tuesday and get insurance placed on the car, you guys. Y'all, my car was ready. They put the bow on it and everything. And I couldn't get it. It sucks. I think the last clip y'all saw me when I was taking pictures from my website, which I did. I did do 2 outfit changes, but I only uploaded 1 because I had to go through my pictures again and I didn't like the second outfit. And y'all, I got so much more to go. But to see that outfit or whatnot, you can go ahead and click the link below to the website because it is very cute. It's a romper, y'all. It's bomb, okay? Bomb. Do you hear me? I also will be uploading pictures to my business page and also my personal page. Business page, Vanity Essentials Boutique. Personal page, just Carisha. So, but I will also leave that down below. But yeah, I'm not doing nothing, you guys. I'm just right here working. Setting up, putting things on site. I might do a video of that. But yeah. Oh, look. I might do a video of me working soon. But yeah, so I'm not gonna show y'all my vendor, but all of this is purchases for my website. So when I tell you I got a lot of pictures to take. And today, going down to the car lot kind of cut my time in half because I like to take pictures when the sun is at its highest, when it's nice and sunny. But yeah, I couldn't really do much. I got 2 pictures in. But y'all, this weekend was straight. This weekend was pretty fun. I couldn't really get as much clip as I wanted to with the party because I was busy partying. So yeah, I got some stuff in. Yeah, this weekend was kind of dull. I'm sorry, you guys. It was pretty dull this weekend. I thought I could have had a car tour for you guys, but nothing. We'll try again next week. Y'all see my alcohol in the background? I'm not an alkie. Sometimes. But yeah, I'm out. I just had to come make an outro for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button and also click that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? And for my subbies, hey y'all, thank you. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all just understand. Yeah, but I think I'm out, y'all. I have to finish work and I have to edit this video and I have to, yeah, I have to get it together. I gotta get it together, sis. And I am so freaking tired. And my lashes weigh about 10 pounds and it's making my eyes extra heavy. So, bye, y'all.